Adab everyone, welcome to the 6th lesson of our Urdu language learning series. The word Urdu comes from the Turkish word ordu, which means army or camp. One might be tempted to believe that Urdu and Turkish are related, but that is not the case. Both the languages belong to different language families. Turkish belongs to Turkic language family, whereas Urdu is a member of the Indo-European language family. Their phonology, syntax, phonetics, and semantics are completely different. In reality, only a handful of words of Turkish origin are present in Urdu. But what about the thousands of words similar in both the languages? That's because both of them contain loan words from Arabic and Persian. Both Turkish and Urdu borrowed from Chagatai, a now extinct language that was once widely spoken in Central Asia. In the previous lesson, we had learnt about these letters, and in this lesson, we will learn about these 4 letters. So let's get started. The 22nd letter of Urdu is To. Its sound is similar to T. Then comes Zo. It has a Za sound. The 24th letter is An. Its sound is similar to A. The 25th letter is Ghain. It has a Gha sound. This sound does not exist in English. To, Zo, An and Ghain are connecting letters. This is their initial form, their median form, and their final position form. Now let's learn some words. Khe, to, khat. Letter. Badi hai, zo, haz. Enjoyment. Dal, pesh, and alif. Dua. Prayer. Dal, ghain, alif. Daha. Deceit. To, re, ze. Tarz. Manner or form. Be, alif, ghain. Bagh. Garden. An, re, sheen. Arsh. Sky or heaven. Seen, to, badi hai. Satah. Surface. Zwad, be, to. Zabt. Refrain or withhold. An, re, zwad. Arz. Request. Ghain, re, zwad. Gharz. Purpose. Ghain, ze, alif. Ghaza. Food or provisions. Ghain, alif, re. Ghar. Cave. An, to, alif. Ata. Endowment. An, to, re. Itr. Perfume. Khe, alif, to, re. Khatir. For the sake of. Alif mad, ghain, alif, ze. Aghaz. Beginning. Ghain pesh, be, alif, re. Ghubar. Dust. Ghain pesh, रे बे ते गुर्बत poverty. सीन रे अलिफ गैन सुराग क्लू और ट्रेस. एन जे ते इज्जत रिस्पेक्ट और ऑनर. शीन अलिफ एन रे शायर पोएट. एन अलिफ दाल ते आदत habit. चे रे अलिफ गैन चराग लैम्प. एन बे अलिफ दाल ते इबादत वर्शिप. एन बे अलिफ रे ते इबारत मोड ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन. अलिफ जेर एन ते जेर बे अलिफ रे एतबार trust. In the next lesson, we will learn about these letters. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.